एवं सतत युक्ताये भक्तात् स्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमौ व्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमा. Arjuna asks Lord Krishna, who is your most favorite devotee? The one who creates a bond of love with your manifest form, or the one who tries to reach out to the eternal, the indestructible, and the unmanifest? Maya Veshya Mano Ye Mam Nitya Yukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetahate Me Yukta Tama Mata. Whoever surrenders his will to my will, fixes his mind unto mine with total devotion, and worships me eternally with their minds absorbed in me, is very dear to me. Ye tvaksharam anirdesham avyaktam parayupasate sarvatra gamachintayancha kutastha dhruvam sanyam endriya gramam sarvatra samabuddhayah te prapnuvanti mameva sarva bhuta hi te rata. However, even the one who tries to realize the unmanifest, that which is beyond all senses and all pervading, may also attain me. क्लेशोधि कतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्त सक्त चेतसाम् अव्यक्ता ही गतिर दुःखम देहवद विरव्यपते. Remember, Arjuna, being an embodied form, it is very difficult to comprehend the disembodied. Being a mortal, if you try to realize the unmanifest, you will face excessive tribulation. Ye tu sarvani karmani mai sannyasa matparah ananya naiva yogena mam dhyayanta upasate teshamaham samudhatta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavami nachirat partha maya veshtita chetasam. Arjuna, if your mind is absorbed in mine, in total faith, if you are always engaged in karma that leads to me, I will give you deliverance from the cycle of birth and death. Maiva mama adhatsva mai buddhim niveshaya niveshishyasi mayeva ata urdham na samsayah. Fasten your mind exclusively on me. Place your intelligence in me, and you will be a part of me forever. Atha chittam samadhatum na saknosi mai sthiram abhyasa yogena tato mamichhaptum dhananjaya. O Partha, if you are unable to fix your mind steadfastly on me, then follow the path of Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga will lead you to me, will help you to realize me. Abhyase pya samarthosi mat karma paramo bhava मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धि मवाप्स्यसि. However, if you are unable to practice this form of devotion, then follow my words. Involve yourself in karma that relates to me. Act on my beliefs, and that will lead you to perfection. अथैतदप्य सक्तोसि कर्तुं मद्यो गमश्रितः सर्व कर्म फल त्यागम ततः कुरु यतात्महम्. Even if this is not possible, try to regulate yourself and your senses and try to renounce all the fruits of action. श्रेयो हि ज्ञानाभ्यासाच् ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्म फल त्यागास् त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्. Do remember, you have to place a lot of importance on the accumulation of knowledge, jnana. But superior to jnana is dhyana or meditation. And meditation will lead you to a state of mind that will help you to practice renunciation. And from renunciation will come eternal peace. अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहंकारः समा दुख सुख शमी संतुष्ट सततम योगी यतात्मा दृढ़ निश्चयः मयि अर्पित मनोर्बुद्धिर्यो मत भक्तः स मे प्रियः. He who hates no one, is jealous of no one, has no egoism. He who is gracious, compassionate, who remains the same in pain and pleasure, who is patient, tolerant, self-controlled, firmly resolved, fixed in devotional practice, and whose mind and intellect are fixed unto me, is very dear to me. यश्मानो द्विजते लोको लोकानो द्विजते चयः हर्षमहर्ष भयोद्वेगैर्मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः. He who perturbs no one and is not disturbed by anyone. He who remains unaffected by happiness. He who is untouched by impatience, fear, apprehension, anxiety is dear to me. अनपेक्षा सुचिर दक्ष उदासीनो गत व्यथः सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मत भक्तः समे प्रियः. My devotee is he who does not depend on the results of his action, who is pure, knowledgeable, impartial, and free from desire, anxiety, and fear. यो न हर्षति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न कांक्षति शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान में समे प्रिय. One who neither rejoices nor grieves, nor yearns. One who has renounced both good and evil and is devoted to me is very dear to me. Samashatrau cha mitre cha तथा मान अपमानायो शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु सम संग विवर्जितः तुल्या निंद्या स्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्ट येन केनचित् अनिकेता स्थित मतिर्भक्तिमान में प्रियो नरः. One who treats friends and enemies equally, is balanced in honor, disgrace, heat and cold, happiness and anguish, free from attachment, unconcerned about blame and praise, controlled in speech. One who is without any attachment, always even-minded, always tolerant and always engaged in devotional practice and service is dear to me. Ye tu dharmam mritamridam yathoktam parayupasate shraddhana matparama bhaktastetiva me priyah. Those who will follow this path of sincere devotional service with me, those who will regard this to be their supreme goal, is very dear to me.